Hi everyone, this video today I'm going to show you different hand positions on how to hold your pencil, and then I'm going to show you some basic warm-up exercises. Just like any sport, drawing's not really a sport, but it also involves a bit of warm-up exercises and some very short practice exercises before you actually delve onto a brand new piece of high quality paper and mess it up. I've been there, done that, but yes, it'll happen. You will make mistakes, don't worry, just keep trying. So let's have a look at the hand positions. First position is the handwriting position for precision lines and careful application of tones and accents. Most popular, most commonly used way of using a pencil, so where I use it. Next, we're coming up to the underhand position, where the pencil passes under the hand, good for loose, quick drawing and frees up your work. Then we have the cupped hand position, pencil on the side position coming up shortly, and the fencing foil position. Now the pencil on the side is commonly used for shading. I don't often use the fencing position or the cupped hand position. It seems very awkward, but apparently that's how it should be used. There's the fencing foil position. Yeah, I don't know where you would use that, but anyway, they say that's what you need to do, so do what you have to. If it works, use it. The first exercise we've got here is parallel lines. Try and draw straight parallel lines. Next, try drawing circles. You can draw one over the other, it's not a problem, but try and draw circles. Then we've got the scribble, which loosens you up. We've got the flex and the scribble. We've got the directional scribble. And then we've got also the directional scribble with a different pencil, and then we've got flicks. So these exercises help you. So yes, those are simple little exercises that will help you loosen up your hand and your shoulder and your eye, all that sort of thing. But they are by no means the golden rule or the Bible of what to do. There are a number of exercises out there online as well that you can go and have a look at and try them all. Another tip is, please try and use different pencils. So use HB, go to the Bs, 2B, 3B, 6B, you'll notice the difference. The best way to learn is by doing, and you need to try these out so that when you do a drawing, and the next video we'll go into will actually start doing a drawing, is that you need to get used to what your pencils can do and how they best work for you, the best way you feel comfortable holding them, the best way you feel comfortable sharpening them, and the best pencils that you like to use. And by all means, if you want to, use colored pencils as well, add some color to your drawings, make it fun. This must be a stress relieving, relaxing, fun hobby, and it should not be a burden, and it should not make you feel anxious and uncomfortable and irritable. So make sure whatever you do makes you comfortable, makes you happy, and keep on drawing. Practice, 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 practice. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.